Okay, yesterday I did a video on the tow haul mode there on my 2020. I'm gonna check it here out on my 2007. I'm gonna tell you what, this 2007 without the tow haul it's got power. So with the tow haul on, I don't know. So let's give it a try and let's get on the highway. All right, my tow haul here on the 2007 is located right here. And it's not on right now. It'll show up over here in this corner if it's on. So I'm gonna give it a shot without the tow haul on, and then I'm gonna stop and go with it on. So let's see what we got here. This is without. This is this 2007. I like this 2007 better than 2020. It always had power. You know, I'm gonna wait till I can get on right here. That's without the tow haul, man. Shit. That 2020 ain't got nothing on this 2007. I'm telling you, man. I've had this thing for over 10 years. If I didn't need that 2020 for the pipeline, I got it because it was four-wheel drive. This one is not a four-wheel drive. I would have used it if it was four-wheel drive. I wouldn't have bought that 2020. Man, this thing is... And that's without the tow haul. I'm finna try it with the tow haul. I had a for sale sign on this thing. I don't think I'm a sell it, man. I got to keep this one. I'm gonna tell them to come take that 2020 once I finish this pipeline stuff. This 2007 it's a monster. All right, I'm gonna pull over when I make this U-turn. And I'm gonna put it in the tow mode and see what the difference is. It's still in regular mode. See if I can find a spot right here. We'll pull over right here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the tow mode. As you can see, that light in that corner right over there, it says tow haul. So let's see what happened here. I don't know. It seems like the tow haul and the regular mode is the same in this 2007. It got some power, regardless. You don't need it in that tow haul here with this 2007. I better slow down. All right, man, and I'm keeping my 2007. Let me take my for sale sign off. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, Welding and stuff.